Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 from a railway carriage. As we have studied the whole poem and we also have done its answer question. Today we are going to do its question number 4. It is page number 49. See if you can fill the blanks in the following. The first one has been done for you. Country and adjective. First one is England. Its adjective is English. Pakistan, Pakistani. Iraq, Iraqi. Spain, Spanish. Germany, German. China, Chinese. France, French. Holland, Dutch. Africa, African. Italy, Italian. Canada, Canadian. America, American. ठीक है. Question number 5 is write the singular of these nouns. The first one has been done for you. Leaves की singular है leaf. Halves, half, half, half. Shelves, shelf. Calves, calf. Wolves, wolf. Children, child. Lives, life. Woman, woman. Next is pronoun. Underline all the pronouns in the following sentences about Joan of Arc. ठीक है. What is pronoun? The word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. First one is इसमें जो pronoun है वो she. Next में जो pronoun है वो है her. C में pronoun आ रहा है its. D वाले में प्रोनाउन आ रहा है शी. E में प्रोनाउन है शी. F प्रोनाउन इज विच एंड देम. G में प्रोनाउन है वो हर. H वाले में दे एंड शी. These all are the pronouns. These are the words which is used instead of a noun. ठीक है. Next is adverbs. Underline all the adverbs in the following sentences. First one, the adverb is slowly and two words. Next, the adverb is swiftly. The adverb in C is aloud. The adverb in D is suddenly and loudly, and in E it's quickly. Next is preposition. Put suitable preposition in the blanks in the following sentences. First one is it was very cold and Sarah was asleep. इस blank में आएगा in bed. Next is suddenly she heard a song from the room. ठीक है. Below her. Next is she jumped out of bed and ran down the street. Next is in the corner of the room was a huge snake. The snake turned and hissed at her. इस blank में आएगा at. She picked up a stick and threw it at the snake. ठीक है. ये जितने वर्ड्स हैं वो आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं. ये सब ब्लैंक्स हैं जो prepositions हैं.